This is a FIFINE USB microphone, which I just purchased on Amazon. It is a plug-and-play microphone, which can be used with your desktop or laptop. It is both Windows and Mac compatible. And now we'll take a look at what's in the box. Okay. Start by taking off the cover. And as you can see, it comes with a user guide. And now I'll remove this cover. And you'll see that the microphone itself comes in plastic wrap. It's a very attractive looking microphone. It comes connected to a cable. I'll have to pull this section open first. This is a anti-wind foam cap that comes with the device. Put that aside. This is the actual microphone. And then we have the stand, okay, which is a metal stand, metal tripod stand. And the way this works, let's put the box aside, is you simply take the stand, connect it, okay, and you just screw it in. Or you can actually adjust the microphone and place it in the position or angle which is best suited for your purposes. So now I'm going to actually connect it to the computer and see how it works. Okay, you'll just take this USB cable, pop off the plastic cap, connect it to your computer, and let's see how it works. Okay, so now I'm on the computer and I'm going to actually connect the microphone and test it. Alright, so right now I'm using the laptop itself to record, but now I'm going to actually connect the microphone and then use that to record instead. So let's see how that happens, or how that works. As you can see, it says setting up a device in the lower right hand corner. This is what you call plug and play. It gets set up automatically. Okay, it says device is ready, set up and ready to go. And so at this point I like to go to my sound settings just so I can actually see the device. So I'm going to type in sound here on Windows. I'll go to sound. I have speakers, recording, and this is the microphone, USB PNP audio device. Alright, click on that, go to properties, and you can use this to set certain things like volume level, your recording volume level. Apparently by default it's set up to 93, which is already quite high, so I'll just leave it there. Okay, you have some other settings there, but the main thing I wanted to see was the microphone volume level. Alright, this is my default playback. Okay, so now for an actual recording of some kind using the microphone. Before I proceed with the actual sound demo, I would like to point out the name of the device is the USB PNP audio device. That is the name of the device on the computer system. And I'm going to go to OBS Studio. This is the program that I'm actually using to record the screen, and it also records sound. And currently I'm going to go to properties and let you see that currently for the sound, for the mic sound, I'm using the default built-in sound on the computer. Now I will switch or change over to the USB PNP, which again is the FIFINE microphone. Okay, I'm going to change the microphone to the USB PNP. Click OK. And I want you to notice the difference in the sound, in the recording sound that you get now that I'm using the FIFINE USB microphone. So, what I really like about this microphone was the easy setup. As you can see, as I demonstrated, as soon as you plug it in, it pretty much instantaneously and automatically installs the microphone onto the computer, right? That's what we call plug and play. Also, for the sound quality, you can hear a clear difference when I was recording with the computer itself versus when I attached the microphone, right? If you notice, the sound quality became a lot more clear. It was louder. You could hear me much better. I didn't sound like I was out in the distance anymore. I sounded closer. And also, I don't know if you noticed this, but also the background noise is less audible as well when you're using the microphone. Easy setup, good sound quality, very reasonable price, as well as you'll see if you click the link to Amazon. So there will be a link to this product provided in the description of this video. Go ahead and feel free to click that link to the product. And also I want to remind you, put on the wind cap. Okay, it does come with this wind cap, and you can put that on the microphone as well to help reduce any noise that might come from wind noises. And wind could even just come from your own mouth when you pronounce certain words. So do put on the wind cap as well. And again, if you're interested in this product, you can click a link in the description of this video. If you like this video, feel free to like. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and pick yourself up a FIFINE USB plug and play microphone.